Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. In this video today I'm gonna explain the sewing machine, its components, the appliance works and its mechanisms. First, let me give you just a definition for the sewing machine. The sewing machine is a mechanical or computerized device designed to join fabric pieces together with a precision and accuracy by creating a variety of stitches. It is a versatile tool, means we can use it in many things. Used in textile, fashion and craft industries, as well as to show the sewing projects. So let's see the components of this sewing machine. So in here we have the feed dogs, we have also the presser foot, we have the needle, also the presser foot and the needle needle plate, and here you can see here the lever, the presser foot lever, and we can see here also the bobbin window. We can see also the reverse button, and in here we can see the stitch selector, and at the back this is the flywheel or the handle wheel. And guys, here we have also the tension control, and I'm gonna show you how this machine works practically. So I press now of course the button, the switch on the button, and then I'm gonna press on this device which supplies power to the machine, and this is how it works. You can control the tension and the stitch selector. Okay guys, now I'm gonna disassemble the machine to see the mechanisms in this machine. Actually, in this machine we have like several mechanisms. We have the key mechanisms are the needle mechanism, feed mechanism, thread mechanism, stitch formation mechanism. So these are the main mechanisms I'm gonna talk about. Okay guys, now I'm using this screwdriver to disassemble the machine, to open it from inside and show you the mechanisms in this machine. Here are screws and washers, as you can see. So as you can see guys, I have removed the plastic cover, this plastic cover. So now I will concentrate on the internal parts. See, I have removed some screws and washers, but I still have a lot of screws and washers to remove, to see how the internal parts look like. So this is the motor, and this is the machine pulley, and this is the arm shaft. But I will remove this parts, every part, every screw, and I will show you each part and each mechanism. And you can see, if I remove the flywheel, you can see how the head of the thread is working. You can see the rods, how they are moving. if I move this machine will be moved, and it's connecting with belts, and of course the motor will generate the power. So now I'm disassembling the parts. So guys, now I'm disassembling the screws. Okay, so guys, I have removed the motor, but still it's connected down here. Okay. So guys, I have removed the cover, so I'm continuing to disassemble each part as Dr. Faisal asked me to do. So guys, I'm still disassembling the parts, each part from each other. So I just want to explain to you some mechanisms that this machine has. The machine has needle mechanism. When the needle moves up and down, the fabric creates stitches. It is connected to mechanism that provides motion, so we can call it needle mechanism. And we have also the feed mechanism. When the feed dog here, when the feed dog is here, so we had to the presser foot work together with the feed dog to move the fabric along at a constant rate. The feed dogs grip the fabric and it moves forward and backward. And we also have the thread mechanism. The upper thread is guided through the various thread guides and tension discs. So then the threaded through the eye of the needle. The bobbin thread is wound onto a bobbin placed in the bobbin case and situated beneath the throat plate. We lastly have also the stitch formation mechanism. and as the needle moves up and down to make the sewing for the clothes, it carries the upper thread through the fabric when it interlocks with the bobbin thread to form stitches. The specific mechanism for stitch formation can vary depending on the chosen stitch pattern, but that's the general mechanism of it. Okay, so I'm still, guys, working on disassembling the each part. Now I'm disassembling the bobbin case and the feed dog. So guys, I have removed the bobbin case and the shaft rod, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, I have disassembled everything, literally everything. So as you can see here, I have this gear, this machine pulley. It was connected with the belt that was connected with the motor. This is the motor, and this motor was connected to this so it can supply power, so it can rotate. And as it rotates, as you can see here, the needle will go up and down. This needle is going up and down, and this is the lever, and this is the horizontal arm or arm shaft, and here this one is the connecting rod with the bobbin case. And yeah, as I explained before about the mechanisms, the needle mechanism, as the needle moves up and down, penetrating the fabric to create stitches, it is connected to the mechanism that provides this motion. The feed dog here, the feed dog and the presser foot together, they move the fabric along at a constant rate. The feed dog grip the fabric and moves it forward and backward, forward and backward. So the mechanism of thread is when the upper thread is guided through various thread guides and tension disc, then threaded through the eye of the needle. The bobbin thread is wound onto a bobbin placed in the bobbin case and situated beneath the throat plate. Stitch formation mechanism: as the needle moves up and down, it carries the upper thread through the fabric where it interlocks with the bobbin thread to form stitches. The specific mechanism for stitch formation can vary in each different machine. By the way, this machine is from Brother brand. Okay guys, just wanted to explain that this is the presser. This is the presser bar that has spring with it, and this is a small gear, and we have also the needle bar. As you can see, this is the needle bar. And yeah, I hope I have explained each component in this sewing machine, and I hope you have enjoyed this video about the sewing machine, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.